Hey folks, AJ here. We're back at my famous workbench. Today we're highlighting a retrofit kit system that we're offering for the discontinued Champagne Series air blower system that Lasco and Aquatic used in their air bubbler champagne tubs back in the day. Model number SW-DTHL. Now they had two systems. They had systems with a light and one without a light. Now this is the one with the light. This is specifically one with the light. We do offer a separate, independent, different system for the ones without a light. All right, but this is very, very important. This is the one with the light. Okay, so the touchpad will look somewhere in the versions of this. You're going to have 5 buttons. Okay. Your on, off, your wave, your high, low speed, and your light button. Okay, unfortunately I don't have one to show you. I got to show you this picture. So and this emblem changed when designed over the years, but it was the 5-button air blower system with the light. Okay, very, very similar to this button here. Now this is the 4-button. Okay, so the new touchpad you're going to be getting is this guy right here. Okay, so the most important thing I want to show you is the back end. So the back end is a little bit bigger. All right, you can see the dimension here versus the one there. If I line them up on this end here, you're going to have to cut the shell, open it up a little bit more to receive this longer touchpad. Okay, there's nothing else on the market that offers the same functions as the original one other than this one right here. It also given some other additional options and features, which is real good. I'll show you once we get it plugged in and operational. But there is the back end. You're going to have to make it bigger to receive that. Okay, this will comes with a sticky and can stick right down onto the shell. There's also a trim piece, a decorative trim piece that goes around it as an option. We can get that in pictures later on, but that's a nice little trim if you wanted to. But it gives you a nice new modern sleek look. Okay, so that's what it looks like in the off position. All right, so let me just show you how everything goes together. I'll get these other parts out of the way. Okay, you're going to get a new main control box. Looks like this. Okay, everything is color coded on the plug end. Okay, you got the yellows for the options and then the red for the display. Very, very simple. Okay, display wire, again, color coded. All right, it's a pin connection, so make sure you get your pins lined up properly. In this one here, we got a flat spot, and that's going to be on the left side when you plug it into the control box. Okay. And then the flat spot is going to be on the bottom notch when you plug it into the touchpad there. Okay, and there's also a retaining clip on both sides to hold it in place. Okay, so that's our display. The other 2 option plugs, one is going to be for the temperature sensor and water level display controller. Okay, this unit here is a new feature with these newer systems. Okay, it wasn't in the older one. All right, first things first, to install this gets glued and silicone to the back side of the tub. Okay, an instruction sheet is going to come with it, but I'm going to explain it to you now. All right, you're going to put a bead of hot glue in this channel right here. Okay, bead of hot glue there. That is the temperature sensor on that chip right there. Do not touch that at all. Do not get any silicone or hot glue on that chip. All right, so hot glue in this channel, and then this whole upper area here, you're going to apply silicone. Okay, you're going to stick it to the back of the tub, about 3/4 the way up the side of the tub. Okay, so the system is not going to come on unless the water level reaches this temp sensor. Okay, so you want it about 3/4 up the side of the tub, so you're not going to have any dry firing with this system. Okay, it'll take a good couple minutes for it to cure and stick to the side of the tub, so just be patient and get it stuck there. Okay, and again, everything's all color coded. We got the yellow option sticker going into the yellow option plug. Now it doesn't matter which one it is, but I'm going to choose to use the left one. Okay, now we're going to fool this temp sensor since we don't have a fully operational tub right now. I'm going to do a little trick on the side that will make it seem like there's water in the tub even though there isn't. Okay, you're also going to get a new light kit. Okay, and everything comes nice and packaged. Okay, individually packaged. Here's the temp sensor. This is the way it's going to come in the package. It's going to have the direction sheet with it in one package, so you're not overwhelmed when you open up the box and you get all these parts. All right, here's our light kit. So it's going to be in a separate bag, nice and easy for you guys to work with. All right, this is a 3-part plug harness system. Let me show you how this goes together. Make sure we get some room here. Okay, first you're going to notice the light bulb, okay, is the new style LED. This is what everyone's using in the tubs these days. Very, very small, sleek, and modern looking. Okay, you can drill a new hole for this in your tub, or your old lens, you probably have something similar to this. What you could do is just stick that in the back of the old lens, okay, and then just fill that whole bottom side, this gap side between the two walls, filled with silicone, and again, hold it there, be patient till it cures. All right, maybe some duct tape will help, but you can do it that way instead of drilling another hole into the tub to give you that light effect. It'll go through two lenses. It'll be a little disruptive, but it'll still give you a nice light look at night, which is nice, okay. So that's the light assembly there, okay. There's actually two pins here, okay, so you can daisy chain them together. If you wanted more, you can order more, okay, and get multiple light points in your tub. But we're going to slide those pins on, okay, and then there's this adapter plug. Let me get this in the camera so everybody can see. So that also goes on, all right, and then it's going to adapt it to our option port, which again has the flat side, and plugs into the other option. Again, it doesn't matter which one you plug it into. Okay, so we'll get that there. All right, so that's our control system and the way that all goes together. All right, let me just slide everything over so we can take a look at the new blower. You're going to get a new blower with this system too, a new upgraded variable speed blower. Okay, very, very simple. It's going to plug right into the control box. I'll show you that in a second, but I want to show you the plumbing end on this blower. Okay, it's a universal blower. The industry uses 3 plumbing methods to attach blowers to the plumbing of Whirlpool tubs. They're either going to use 1¼ inch hose, 1.5 inch pipe, or 2-inch pipe. Okay, most of the Lasco tubs use 1.5 inch pipe. So there's 2 screws, one here on the top, one on the bottom. Take those 2 screws out, get a screwdriver in here, pry the adapter nozzle out, and then you can slide your 1.5 inch pipe in here, screw it back down nice and tight so it doesn't blow out. Okay, that's what you're going to need to do. If you do have a 2-inch, take it off here. Again, screws on the top of the bottom, take this off, put a 2-inch coupling on. You can attach it to your 2-inch plumbing, but like I said, most of the time it's 1.5 inches. All right, as far as the plumbing goes. So let's get this system back over here so everybody see once we get it going on. So I'll plug the blower into the only plug that's here on the box for the blower, okay, and then of course your plug end is going to go into your GFCI protected outlet. Make sure you test that outlet when you're ready to go. All right, so when I plug this in, I want everybody to see this display panel. Okay, I'll pull that up real quick for you. So when we give it power for the first time, okay, it's going to go through its initial boot up. You're going to see those 3 flashing dots, 3 dashes there, I should say. All right, and then it's going to go through. So CO3 is the configuration for the blower. This control system can operate many different functions and many different pieces of equipment. It'll come pre-programmed CO3, and that's a variable speed blower system. Okay, and then our panel buttons light up after it goes through the software boot up. And then we're ready to go. Okay, let me turn this one light off. Is that going to make it better? Yeah, it's a little bit better for you guys. Okay, top left button is the blower button. That gets it up and running. Okay. There's a 20-minute timer built into the system after 20 minutes of use. The blower turns off by itself. Okay. When I hit this next button here, puts it in wave mode. Now the blower goes up and down in speed by itself. The original system had the wave mode also. Now you turn the wave mode off. See it says off. Okay. And then we can increase or decrease our speeds through the plus and minus button. And it comes up on the display. S10 is speed 10, and then we can come all the way down to 1. Okay, and again it has that 20-minute timer. It'll go back to the timer. Now we're down to 19 minutes. Okay, and now let's take a look at our light button here. Okay, nice digital light system. All right, every time we hit it, we're going to get a different light show coming out of the light, which is nice. Okay. Cycle through all those. All right, so we had a whole bunch of different light functions there, which was nice. Okay. Bottom right is the user programmer button. Disregard that button. All right, everything's going to be up here. Again, blower on and off, wave, speed up, speed down, and your light button. Okay. And that's everything you need to know about the new retrofit blower system that we offer for the 5-button light systems that Lasco and Aquatic use over the years. Any questions beyond this video, feel free to give us a call. We are your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.